The 5 most beautiful places in the world. The world is full of beautiful places that most of us don't even know about. From breathtaking waterfalls and jaw-dropping natural wonders to mysterious lost cities and quaint landmarks, you're never short on things to see or do. Shortlisting the 5 most beautiful places in the world is certainly not easy, and visiting all those beautiful places that this planet has to offer could take a lifetime, possibly more. However, we've shortlisted a few attractions that should always be close to the top of your bucket list, for each destination is an experience to be savored, a moment you are sure to cherish throughout your life. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia is a living example of just how odd yet beautiful nature can be. It presents a fantasy-like landscape that looks like it's been plucked out of a fairy tale, alien-like hills and boulders that seem as if they've been transported from another planet. The humans who once lived here used the area's soft stone to create underground shelters, leaving all kinds of weird architectural wonders in their wake. The lunar landscape is stunning on its own, but the countless hot air balloons that fill up the sky with shades of red, yellow, orange and cream simply take its beauty to the next level. The Goreme open-air museum and its rock-cut churches, and the subterranean wonders of Kimakli are among the best things to see in Cappadocia. Whitehaven Beach, Whitsundays, Australia. It's easy to see why the Whitehaven Beach ranks among the most photographed beaches in the world. The magnificent 7 kilometers stretch of white sand that feels like your own private slice of heaven presents an aura of peace and serenity, letting you experience relaxation at its very best. The beach is accessible via boat from Hamilton Island and the ports of Chute Harbour and Ely Beach. To enjoy the best view of Whitehaven Beach, make your way to Tongue Point. Time your trip with a low tide, and you'll get to see a mesmerizing fusion of colors that always promises the grandest of views. The Fairy Pools, Isle of Skye, Scotland. You might suddenly start believing in fairies the moment your eyes fall on the Fairy Pool, an ethereal oasis that bewitches visitors with its crystal clear water, picture-perfect scenery and magical atmosphere. The waters are freezing, but if you're searching for wild swimming adventures, it really doesn't get better than this. And if you're not as adventurous, a mere walk around the area, exploring aqua blue pools, each more appealing than the other, is sure to leave you in high spirits. The place also has its own infinity pool, bounded by a beautiful stone wall. Grand Canyon National Park, USA. There's a reason more than 5 million people choose to visit the Grand Canyon each year. It's one of the most magical destinations on the planet. Irrespective of how much you read about the Grand Canyon, you're sure to end up being spellbound, for nothing prepares you for the magical side that this wonder has to offer. Considered to rank among one of the top 7 wonders of the world, this fascinating piece of art feels strikingly familiar, yet entirely unique. Its sheer size leaves you speechless, and visiting the canyon during sunrise or sunset leaves you mesmerized, because the scenery on display is so serene, so beautiful, so pure. The canyon is divided into 3 rims, north, west, and south, and all 3 offer incredibly unique experiences. The south rim is the most visited feature of the canyon, for it hosts a majority of the region's infrastructure, Native American ruins, viewpoints and historic artifacts. However, if you're after adventure and solitude, the north rim is where you need to be. Rainbow Mountains, Zhangjiangxi, China. If you're in love with everything that the Grand Canyon represents and are closer to Asia than to North America, hop over to China to see the Rainbow Mountains of Zhangjiangxi National Geological Park. Considered to be as stunning as the Grand Canyon, and one of the most beautiful places in all of China, the mountains present dramatic colors of maroon, magenta, yellows and greens due to trace minerals within the sandstone. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.